Hello, Miss Turtle here. Hope you guys are doing well. I have a new video today. I'm just gonna put this right here so you have something to look at. This is what my video is about today. I'm unboxing a diamond painting I received from Diamond Artisan, and I also have two other diamond paintings that I received earlier in the week from Diamond Art Club, and I've gotten back into diamond painting, and uh, it's one of those things. I have been decluttering my craft room, aka the house, and diamond painting is one of those things I unearthed and have gotten back into it. I've also gotten back into cross stitch, but maybe I'll do another video about that later. So let's first do the Diamond Artisan. This is, uh, if you play Animal Crossing, then you probably recognize this. That's Bob, and there's Kiki Slider in the background in the little picture frame, and yeah, it was such a cute image on there. Uh, I couldn't resist. I play Animal Crossing quite a lot, so so the package came really nicely wrapped in tissue paper. I took it out of the box already and had a look inside, and then so it's not a. I guess it's a re-unboxing. So the package came with the tissue paper. This box was wrapped in tissue paper, and there was also a mesh bag with some candy in it. And I've already repurposed that mesh bag. Let's take this out. There's a toolkit. We'll have a look at that in a little bit. There should be drills. Oh, and obviously this sticker sheet was in there, as well as a few pretty large release papers, which I've also already put into the diamond painting I'm currently working on, because I cut a bunch of my release paper from old double-sided adhesive covers that I had, and I cut them pretty small. I cut them in 4x4 squares, and then I was like, oh, I wish I had cut some of these a little bit larger. So that's where those are. Let's keep going here. All right, so, oh, also a bag of baggies, 2 packs of drills. This is a square that I ordered, so we'll take a look at that in a little bit. Let's first have a look at the canvas. So this is my first, well, this and the Diamond Art Club that I ordered are my first premium kits in a while. Last time I ordered things was 5 years ago. So I'm excited to see, like, this plastic cover, very thick. This glue is, well, that's normal glue. Here's the canvas. Oh, beautifully printed. It's a sparkly canvas. Doesn't Diamond Art Club also do that sparkly canvas? I don't, but I don't know if you can tell the sparkly or not. But here's the canvas. It's not a terribly big painting. It's a 50 by 70, but there's Bob. And I will probably, even though this cover is very nice, I will probably remove it and put not release papers, because I only use release papers for wherever I'm actively working. But I still like the parchment paper method, because I feel like it sticks to, the release paper comes off too easily. So if you have to roll up your part of your canvas and you've got release paper on there, it'll just come off. Parchment paper will not do that. There's the table. This is the table that always drops for me from trees as a furniture item. I always end up with like 20 of these. But yeah, it's a very, very cute image. I believe that's a Switch. Yeah, that's an in-game Switch. There's gonna be mail. Um, oh, and this is gonna be a present. It's one of the blue presents, which I think is a treasure hunt present. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, so this is the canvas. Let's have a look at the toolkit. Move this back over there. If I'm being honest, I'm probably not going to use most of this stuff. Although there are murder tweezers in here. I'll probably use these. Because this is a square canvas. I will probably not use this pen. I will show you. I'm very mad about my current setup, kit setup, which is my favorite setup, and I'm mad about it for reasons. It's amazing. It's wonderful. I'm still mad about it, which will make sense in a little bit. So it comes with a couple of different multi-placers. It's a kiwi. I'm probably not going to use this on the diamond painting. Like I said, I'm going to replace this plastic cover with parchment paper, so I don't need a cover minder. But this is also a needle minder, and like I said, I've been getting it back into cross stitch, so that's what that'll be used for. A very pretty pink washi tape, and it kind of goes with the color theme here. That's very cute. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but very cute. There's a little pot of wax with 2 pads of wax in it, and a little basic tray. So not a bad toolkit. I think the tweezers and the cover minder, maybe the washi tape. I don't know. With parchment paper, I don't end up using it. And the baggies. Those are probably going to be the most useful items from this. I suppose the wax, it looks similar to Diamond Art Club wax, in which case that's my favorite pink wax is the Diamond Art Club wax. So let's put that stuff aside. Let's have a look at the drills. Like I said, it's been several years since the last time I ordered a diamond painting, a premium diamond painting, and I understand that the technology has significantly improved. So I am looking forward to this. And this is AB, it looks like. Oh, what a pretty color. Ooh, these are these are not ABs. These are the ones that the new style of specialty drills with the mica powder. Why am I blanking on the name of them? Those are pretty, and what a pretty color. So I've got one more premium kit on order from Jaded Gem Shop, and I ordered it at the beginning of this month, so it's September 14th, and when I'm recording this, I think this video, I don't know when it's going to go up, but I selected the mica drills. I didn't want any ABs. I wanted mica drills. And I'm glad I ordered that because these are beautiful. Hopefully you can see. What a gorgeous color. All right. And then, now I typically work, these are regular drills. I typically work with rounds. That's my preferred. I have done one big Diamond Art Club square in the past. These might be regular drills, but what a gorgeous color. I feel like I'm going to say that about all of these drills. Like, all of these colors are stunning. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at how much. Okay, so this is one color, but look at how much of this one color. And this looks like an AB drill. Wow. Oh yeah, it says on there, AB. Here's another AB. Was that the only, where did that pretty one go? Oh, here it is, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that's a G. I may have just bumped the camera there, sorry. That's a G. Do I have any other Gs? Oh, I suppose I could probably tell on here. There are, oh, there's a C, then there's 3 Gs and 2 ABs. So here's one of the ABs. Let's move you over. Here's another AB. Wait, I've got 3 ABs. Oh, I'm sorry, there are 3 ABs. Okay. So 3 ABs. Then we've got 3 of these Gs. Let's see if we can find all of them. Ooh. I want to know what that C is. Oh, C. Oh, it's crystals. Oh, sorry. It's a yellow. Oh, these colors are gorgeous. I really want to finish my current big diamond painting that I've got kitted up and I'm currently working on, because it's a lot of real estate on workspaces. And then I want to get this up, but this looks so exciting. I really want to work on this as soon as possible. Okay, so there are the 3 ABs. Here's one of the glimmers, one of the crystals. And I'm guessing the last of the specialty drills are in here. Nope, here's one of the other glimmers. Oh, that's beautiful. What a pretty color. Yeah, you can see. Beautiful. Here it is. So here are the last 2 glimmers. So let's get all 3 of them. There's a white. Oh, you can barely tell. Oh, I hope there's another package of this. This is so little. I hope there's another package of this. But that's beautiful. And there's this purple. Love it. I think this color is still my favorite, the first one I pulled. Oh, it looks so good with the glimmers. Then we've got the ABs. There's this dark purple AB. There's this blue. And then there's this aqua. Very pretty. And then the yellow crystals. All right, so let's see if we can find these on the canvas. Okay, so this AB, maybe, nope, not that one. It's the same one. Okay, this AB, 3846, yep, that one, is all of this too. So it's going to be all in the table. Looks like the plant. Okay, so this is throughout, actually. It looks like on the canvas. It's all over. It's in there. It's running up these, what are the curtains, windows? Yeah, it's quite a lot. Great. That's this one. It's just a normal. All right, let's look at this AB. Okay, I found it. It looks like it's all through here. What is this? This is part of the window and the wall right here. So it's going to be all that. Okay, so that's another AB. Then this dark purple AB. Let's see, where's this going to go? Okay, so it looks like that one's going to run adjacent to the first AB we looked at. It's going to be through the window bars. Oh, and it's part of the tablecloth as well. Beautiful. All right, let's look at these glimmer girls. Let's look at this tiny packet. I really, really hope there's more of this. It's gonna be right here in this. This looks like a lamp, I think. Let's bring this picture out. Yeah, it's mushroom lamp. So it looks like it's in part of the mushroom. That might be the only place that exists. Okay, and then this one, my favorite pretty blue. Okay, it's also going to be in the windows, but over here, a lot of that. Oh, there must be another. Oh yeah, there's another big packet of this. And it looks like it's going to be part of this. What is this? The tablecloth. Oh, that's interesting. It's going to be in this area. Oh my God. This is lighter. This is darker on the image over here. See, there's the seat. There's the seat. So that color, that's interesting. That's going to be there. And then the last specialty drill. Oh, that looks like it's going to be part of Bob's face. In here a little bit. There might be other spots too, but that's the only place I can find it. Interesting. And then the last specialty is this crystal. Oh, found it. That's going to be part of the light bulb on the lamp. There. That's adorable. Oh, what a great use for crystals. Oh, I wasn't too sure about these crystals because I've only seen crystals in like things like coasters. And so, but that's clever. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm glad it's not on his face because that would make him look neon and weird. Plus, there's no yellow on his face. Oh my goodness, I want to get this up right away and start working on it. But no, I'm going to finish my other big project. My other big project is a Diamond Art Club. It's the oh god, I don't remember what it's called, but it's the Darth Vader playing with Leia and Luke. It's adorable. It's an adorable piece. So I've been working on that, and I want to finish that. And I'm in the bottom half of it because I work from top to bottom. I'm in the bottom half of it, and so I should just focus on it and get it done, so that I can kit this up because this is amazing. Ugh. Plus, kitting up. I love kitting up diamond art and diamond paintings. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to, instead of doing the Diamond Art Club in this video, because it's long enough, I'm going to do it in a video of its own. So, yeah. Hopefully the next time you see this will be very soon, in the next month or so, when I've finished my other big piece, and then we can start getting this up, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.